students, welcome back our online classes Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the first chapter knowing our numbers. Okay students, so today we are going to discuss about that expanded of brackets. Okay, how we'll expand the brackets in the numbers. Okay, let us see. So I have given that here one example. Students, observe very carefully how to expand this brackets. Suppose 13 into 1013, 13 into 1013 we are going to multiply. So instead of this 13 we are multiplying now 13 into 1013. Okay students, generally we can multiply this, but how that brackets with it you have to be easy to multiply. You observe students, this 13 is smallest number, so we have to keep as usual. Now 1013 I written bracket with 1000 plus 13, 1000 plus 13. Instead of 1013 I written 1000 plus 13. This way also you can do. If it has given like this, you can do this, or this one it has given directly, you should do solve. Okay friends, so let us see now. Already given to us. Observe students, here already given in the bracket, so no need to do bracket again. If it is given like this, you have to make it simple form like bracket, then you should multiply. So given that what now 13 into 1000 plus 13. So observe students, if whatever the how many numbers are there in the bracket, then two numbers are there, and that is also plus. So outside is there one number with the multiplication. Okay, so that means this two number is multiplied by 13. Okay, so let us see. Now first we have to take 13 into first number, that is 1000. Next what is the sign? Plus, that means plus keep. If minus there, then you have to keep the minus. So next 13, that means this is you have to multiply here. Next 13 also multiply with 13. So 13 into 13. Are you clear? So first number with multiply 13, second number also multiply with 13. But what is for the sign here? You have to put is equal to, now 13 into 1000, 13,000, because 3 zeros we can keep direct also, plus 13 into 13 you have to multiply, then you will get that 169 is equal to, if you add this 13,169 you will get the answer. Are you clear? So this is the expanding the brackets, that means this bracket we are opening and we are multiplying. Okay, so next we will take one more example students. Here it has given to you 102 into 105. Instead of this, already given that 102, this 105 is bracket kept 100 plus 5, 105. Instead of that 105, they have written bracket inside 100 plus 5. Now you do the solve. Okay, write down this first 102 into bracket 100 plus 5 is equal to, what you will do? Now what I told you, if whatever the bracket inside the numbers are there, that should be multiplied with this. That means this is the bracket. So first of all multiply this with this 100, then multiply with 5. So first write down 102 into first number. What is the sign? Plus plus. Next 102 into 5 is equal to. If 100 we are multiplying, then direct 2 zeros we can put here also. Plus you should multiply 5 2 is 10, carry 1, 5 0 is 0, 1, 5 1 is 5. If you add, what will get? 0, here 1, 5 to 7, here 0, 1. This is our answer, 10,710. Okay students, so this is expanded of the bracket also. Next we will take one more example also. See students, here also directly it has given to you students. Observe here 7 into 11 plus 9. So what is that question? 7 into 11 plus 9. So what is that solution? How like to do? First bracket how like to expand? 7 into 11, 7 into 9. Observe friends, 7 into 11 plus 7 into 9. So what will get? 7 into 11 plus 7 into 9. What will get answer? 77 plus 63. carry 1, 7, 7, 140. This is the answer. Are you clear once? 7 with 11 plus 7 with 9. So 7 with 11, this is, now this is, cross is the between. So this if we multiply 7 into 11, we will get the 77. 7 into 9, 63. So we both will add 140. Same like you will do another one more example also it is given. Students observe here the D, that is, what is that solution? 10 plus given here 54 minus 12. Observe students, here into here means we are multiplying to both, but here given plus, what you have to do? Plus which you don't want to multiply here, so direct write 10 plus bracket work you should do first. 54 minus 12 you should do. Don't multiply 10 to 5. Here multiply there means only you can do, otherwise no need. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Now you have to add. 42 plus 10 is equal to 52. Okay students, this is called as expanded of the brackets. Okay, so same as it, you should do this homework. Simplify 3 into 15 plus 4, 42 plus 73 of 73 minus 23, and 105 plus into 95. This is for you homework you do in your home. I hope you have understand this. So next video we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you all.